and running a little hot. And me likey. Here it is. Bowman Sterling Box 3, 10:23 Eastern Standard Time. Here's everybody up in it. Thank you guys so much for being here tonight. Hanging out with me Friday night. I know, big show. Big Show thought I was yelling at him earlier today. That was not the case. He cracks me up. Good old Big Show. All right. Here we go. Box 3. Wiggle it out. Man, it sounds weird when I say that. Okay, here we go. Why do I kind of like Bowman Sterling right now? I do. I really do. Here's Drew Breesel, Ezekiel Nza, Barkevius, and Kobe Hamilton. How'd you get in here, dude? All right, Kobe Hamilton, you can hang out, I guess. 891 out of 1214, Ryan Nassib. So the Cincinnati hit, that'll be going to Big Show. And then the Rick H will be getting that Ryan Nassib. Is it Nassib or Nassib? I don't know. All right, Eford, Bailey, Xavier Rhodes, Chris Harper. What are you doing in there? Anyway, Chris Harper, that'll be going to Seattle. Bob Grizz, 71. There you go, buddy. How's that beard treating you? I know about that. I got one over here. I got a beard going on over here. 748 at 1214. Mike Glennon. Next. EJ. Eli. Tyler Bray, 30 out of 99. The Blue Wave. Why am I still a big fan of the Blue Wave? I just think they look way too cool. Don't forget, guys, BGS gradings go out, like the cutoff is this Sunday at midnight. So just get your stuff graded if you hit anything, obviously, tonight. Here's a little Kenny Stills going to pay them bills. D Theater, 65. And, ooh, it's a nice little patch. Cordero Patterson, 23 out of 99. 3-color patch. Gonna be that Blue Wave. Going to Minnetonka, Mikey N. There you go, bub. Sounds like Mikey Wiley had a little taco time out today. I like it. Here's Robert Woods, Tavon, D. Miller, 68 out of 75 going to those Jets. Then you got Chris Agro Crag. Where'd you come from, dude? Why don't you get in my face? Going to Buffalo. C. Frez, 87. And Jordan Reed, 180. I'm sorry, 1182. Yeah, 182 would be way too low of a number. Out of 1214. Going to Washington, which would be Jamie R. It's going to be box number 3 here. 3, yeah. DJ Hayden. Fisher, Peyton Manning, and actually this is a pretty solid card. This is going to be short print. That's Landry Jones, 11 out of 55. Solid card, auto patch. So really nice, actually. You can see all the different glitters and sparkle. The little glitter, so it was in Vegas. That'll be going to Pittsburgh. Jeremy. Here you go, Bob. Tyler Wilson, 824 out of 1214. One more pack, then we got the box topper. Guys, we're in Bowman Sterling box number 3. Don't you worry if you're like, dude, I really want to get in a break. Go get in one. After Absolute sold out, maybe we can figure something else out. Maybe I have a couple more boxes. Question mark, question mark. Rare, question mark. JJ Swat, Geo. Actually, solid little Keenan Allen. 41 out of 361. Yeah. And Giovanni Bernard, 984 to 1206. So San Diego, which would be Rick H. And then Cincinnati, Big Show. Let's see what we got in here. Jumbo Jockstrap, 138 out of 171, Josephine Randall. So going to those Cowboys. So Cowboys, yeah, Cowboys are loaded in this product. So that's box number 3 there.